Welcome to this Vuba tutorial, where you will learn how to prepare a floor surface ready to receive a VubaScape resin set resin bound aggregate screed. The surface area should be dry, and because we live in the UK, you may require the help of a gas blower to achieve this. In addition, the subfloor should be clean and of sound construction. Potholes, undulations and voids containing loose and friable material should be removed and cut back to a clean, neat edge ready for treatment. First, prime the surface area requiring treatment using our epoxy tack coat primer, Epibond. Now, mix the 3-part resin mortar polycrete using a drill and paddle, and trowel apply is required. Polycrete, an external grade high strength repair product in our VubaFix range, is suitable for filling voids up to 150mm in depth in cold, wet conditions and will cure to a compressive strength of almost twice that of standard concrete. Polycrete is from the same family of resins as our resin bound resin set screed and therefore completely compatible for rapid overlayment.